is a school PD day. I'm Adi. And I'm Ayu. Today we are going to Mud Lake Trail. It's about a 25-minute drive from our home. There's a little lake there, and also we saw pictures that had turtles. A lot of turtles. I think there are painted turtles there because of the pictures. Tata! Tata! And here's our baby brother. He broke his bone like a few weeks ago. Maybe a month. Okay guys, we are here and the lake's right over there. Many of our boots to get in. There's some pondweed and lily pads. Oh, there's a mark right here. Oh no, it's gone. Right there. Oh, wow, this is a good habitat for lots of animals. Let's go and follow me. Don't need to be afraid. Look in front of you. I don't think these are ducks. These are mountains. Yeah, all ducks, different species of ducks. Yeah, that one's a mallard. And ducks eat fish. I'm checking here. Don't slip in. It could be easy. This is the best lake I ever seen. Look at the lily. Okay, baby wood ducks over there. I think that's the mom. Oh look. Dragonflies. One even longer. Those are wood ducks. That's an owl. Tadpoles. Tadpoles. Cool. You need to be ready. If I had my boots, I could go in. Can we go in without boots? Japanese beetle. They eat the logs and kill them. Kill the trees. Hey, wait. Over there's a beaver. I think there's only one name for a beaver, American beaver. It does move. There's a gardener snake right there. A gardener snake. Our mission today is to find turtles. Right over here is a perfect spot. And hopefully they can make that climb under that bridge. Oh, a giant dragonfly. Look, that's a Malibu frog, and their call sounds like a tuba. Okay, he's a catfish. There's catfish if that's one. This is mammacle. Yeah, mammacle. It's some sort of mammacle species. This is a cool species. I've seen this species before. Right there. A giant spider. Mama. Right there. Be careful. I think it's venomous.
No, I said the poison ivy has green shiny leaves.
Not a spider. Not a poison. We walked in about 4 kilometers and now we are going back. We are really tired. Thank you for watching. Come back soon for our next nature trail video. Remember to like and subscribe.